Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Sphere News Network. It's 9 p.m. bulletin. Alizade said no one has been paid the price, but the compensation has been increased. Protests continue across the country over this much incident. People are facing problems due to alternative routes due to this illness. Prime Minister's Special Assistant Shehbaz Gill said talks are underway with the much victims. Some are also politicizing the corpses. Sheikh Rashid said Imran Khan will leave as soon as the issue of burial of dead is resolved. He said external forces are also involved in the targeting of Hazara community. Chaudhry Parvez Ilahi said the government should end all the projects this year and adopt a plan to eradicate poverty and unemployment. 5 officials suspended in Osama murder case were found sinners. Trump's U-turn after the attack on the US Congress. Trump expressed his love for the protest yesterday, but condemnations today. 5 Trump administration's officials suspended. Trump announced peaceful change of the power on 12th January. Yesterday there was case, not protest, according to Joe Biden. "48 patients died due to COVID and 6.6% rate of positive cases in 24 hours in Pakistan. This year, India faced the biggest economic crisis since 1952 due to COVID-19. In Iran, bans USA and England vaccines. They believe the French vaccines is reliable. 4,000 lives were lost in the United States due to COVID-19, and this is very big ratio in their history. Lockdown in Australia for 3 days from today. The children's most favorite movie Tom and Jerry is now on the silver screen on 11th February. The winter season is likely to last till March.